Hello everyone, how to add new contact in Outlook. So let's start. Go to the left hand side and click on the people icon, and here you can add your new contact. Go to the home tab and click on the new contact option, and here you see you can just enter the new contacts all detail: name, company, internet related details, phone numbers related details, address. Okay, so here in my notepad have a one person details. So I just copy this and paste your full name. Then I copy this company name, then job title, marketing manager, then email address. And here in email address, you can add more than one email address. Just click on this drop down arrow and select here email 2 and email 3. Then add your another email address also. Okay. And then I copy this web address and paste here. So in phone number in business, just click on this drop down arrow and you can select the other option also. I just business related phone number, then home. Okay. Then in address, I copy the address of this person. Here, so you can select the home address and other address if you want to add more than one address. And if you want to check the address, just click on the map and you can check this contact address. Okay. And after that, here you can see your card is ready of this person. You can add the notes here related to project meeting. And to add the profile picture, just click on it and select your profile picture to add here. Okay. After field all details, go to the contact tab and click on the save and close option. And that's it. You can see the Rahul Sharma contacts is added. So that's it. This is a way you can add new contact in Outlook. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.